excited to learn more about today's big announcement. So tell us about this exciting new gut health test. What is this?
Well, that's exactly what it is, Jordan. It's a gut health test. And I know that it's going to automatically startle some people. And they're going to say, well, how are you measuring the gut? And the gut gets measured in different ways. And really, this is the culmination of years and years worth of research and focus that we can actually look at the gut differently. We know more now about the gut than we ever did. And what we are bringing to the world is the first of a kind test that is not going to just tell them what's in the gut, but also how the gut functions, and more importantly, how they can optimize their gut health. So it's a very, very new, based on the best evidence and research. And dare I say, it's going to change the way things are done.
How does that test work?
So instead of just looking at different strands of bacteria, which has been dominant in the area of what people call gut or microbiome testing, what we've done is that we've been able to identify key kind of microbes. We're looking at metabolites. We're looking at things that and how they function within the gut. So we're looking at things like IPA and kinorine. We're looking at tryptophan. We're looking at the relationship of these things, because this tells us far more provocative data and information about how your unique gut is functioning and what you need to do from a dietary point of view to optimize that, either to restore your gut, to optimize gut health. Because I say this all the time, but I'm going to say it again. The gut is the center of the human universe. And we've known that for thousands of years, not just 5 years or 20 years. And if you address the gut, you address the entire human biological ecosystem. All it takes is a single drop of blood. It's what we call dry blood spot sampling. It's a particularly refined technique. So you don't need to reach into the toilet anymore. Those days are gone. There is nothing horrendous. You don't need to prepare yourself emotionally. It's a single drop of blood on a piece of paper. You return that to us. You follow the instructions, and then you've got your test results back to you, just to you, anonymously, in less than 2 weeks.
I think that's fantastic. So tell us about your third-party testing and what people can expect after doing the gut health test at home.
We utilize the Vitas laboratory in Norway. They're not a part of our company. We utilize them for testing. They've spent 3 years at least purely focused on developing the specific laboratory techniques and methods that can verifiably measure these things, quantify them accurately, consistently, so that we know that when we give information back to people, it stacks up, it's reliable, it can be interpreted meaningfully, and then they're empowered to make a positive change.